Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Freepik Designer. So Freepik brought something for designers. So if you want to create custom design like a Canva, then you can easily create. So go to Freepik uh, Designer, then go here Freepik Designer, then you start creating. You need to uh, create your account. You can create your account through your Gmail. It's really easy. So you can see this is the canvas. So first of all, you have to make sure that which type of design you're going to you're going to create. So you can take here custom template. Here a custom template you'll get. So you can search here, like if I type here maybe uh, business card, then there are a lot of business card here you can take. So this time I'm just going to create a blank page. So here you can see this is blank page. So okay, I'm just going to choose element. Here you can see there are some basic shape. If I click here, then I can drag and drop it. Then you can here you can see you can make the size, or you can set the color, border color. It's a border color, so tap 3 dot, or you can fill color. You can create it like if you want to get. So the main color here you can, or you can also use gradient and make it center. So now it looks, I'm just going to create the beautiful shape maybe, or if you have the custom color code you can use here custom color code. I'm just going to use maybe this one. I just keep it like this, border color maybe black. Okay, so now you can add text. It's like if you know how to use Canva, then it's similar like this. Add header, like if you tap here, then you can see it's a header now. Freepik Designer. So you can customize this. You can use which type of font you use. Like my font, you can also upload your font from your PC. All font here it's look different, or you can change the color. You can see text color, or you can make it bold. You can increase the font size. You can decrease the font size through this. You can add the link. You can delete. You can write also. If you use here, then you'll get the details like left or center, right, center. So if you want to make it off, then all thing you can customize, order forward, backward. Like if you use more elements, then you can do it. So color, you can choose color. So it's really easy. Or if you, so you can see, and elements, like which type of elements you want. If you want a sticker, then you can tap here. You can make it smaller or bigger. So also illustration is free here. And image mask, this is advanced level. You can upload your photos. If you have the photos from your gallery, then you can use, or you can use the free image here. So you can upload your elements here. You can upload your media. There are more tools here like text to image, AI presentation, AI writer, AI translation. So you can use all the things. So when all things happen, then click the download and PNG with the background, GPG, PDF. So download it. So you can see it's downloading now. It will be ready in a few moments. It's really easy. You can use it free. If I check here, so you can see this is the result. So I hope this video is helpful. So okay friend, today is normal and see you in the next video.